Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lock model and having its key or code handy so you don't guess during installation. Once done, disconnect power to the opener and lower the door to its closed, secure position to prevent movement. Make sure you have a screwdriver, a 1/8 drill bit, and mounting screws at hand. These let you pilot holes and fasten the lock precisely. By starting with these prerequisites, you reduce mistakes and set a clear path for the hardware steps that follow. You now mark the mounting points with the provided template so holes line up perfectly. Accuracy here prevents binding. Once marked, pilot drill holes and attach the lock body while guiding the key cylinder or control cable through the door hole. This prevents pinching and keeps the mechanism centered. Then install and adjust the striker plate so the bolt enters without scraping. If it sticks, loosen screws slightly and tweak alignment until the latch moves freely. This careful alignment ensures reliable locking and long-term wear resistance. You finish by restoring power and cycling the opener while engaging the lock to verify it holds under normal operation. Test with the key, and if paired, the remote or keypad. Observe for hesitation or grinding. If the bolt binds, loosen fasteners and make small alignment corrections to the striker plate or cylinder. Tighten once smooth. For electronic locks, check battery voltage, wiring connections, and clear debris from housings. This final check confirms security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.